In this video, I'll show you how to create Google Ads lead form extensions. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left menu, go to Campaigns and select the campaign where you want to add a lead form. Next, click Assets, then click the plus button and choose Lead Form. After that, enter your business name, headline, and description. Then add the questions you want to ask, such as the customer's name, email address, or phone number. Now create a privacy policy URL, add your call to action, and customize the submission message that users will see after sending the form. Next, review all your settings and click Save to attach the lead form to your campaign. Finally, monitor your leads from the Google Ads dashboard and connect your lead form to a CRM or download your leads manually if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create Google Ads lead form extensions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.